We use the future simple with will to predict the future. It is the basic way we talk about the future in English, and we often use it if there is no other reason to use another future tense. We can use it for future facts and for things that are less certain. For example, the sun will rise at 7 a.m. I think the Conservatives will win the next election. A second use for will is promises, requests, refusals, offers. This is sometimes called volitional will. It is about wanting to do something or not wanting to do something in the future. I will help you with your homework. Will you give me a hand? I won't go. In a similar way, we often use will when we are talking about a decision at the moment of speaking. We are usually making an offer or promise or talking about something that we want to do. For example, I'm cold, and the other person says, I will close the window. The third use of will is we use the simple future with will in the first conditional and in other sentences that have a conditional feeling. If it doesn't rain, we will go to the park. Let's arrive early. That will give us time to relax. And that's the grammar point of today. That's today's grammar point.